Hello guys, this is a video about to make this design. It's a vintage layout t-shirt or to make this on Affinity design. Here in the software we need to take this vintage image, we need to rotate that, to use this mesh to make a little bit older, an aspect of older. To make this design, we need to make some rectangles in the size of 100. Make this 5 times. You can set up here below this, hold the shift key, make this equal distance. Pick the colors that you want for this design. I will be using this vintage looking. This is the simple way, it's not a difficult one. Make this mask with the layer like here. Use the Ctrl J to make several copies. 5-1. Set up this layout here. Okay. Start to mesh like that. With the orange, with the red here. Now we have okay, here's ones here, here's one, and the last one. Okay, hold on. This one, making a different position that is more random. Make a simple phrase that you want. Is normally a fun phrase. Life is too important taken seriously. Okay. In this project, I will use the font Fuzzy. It's a good one. this one inside the project, copy and paste. This one, okay, important. Okay, okay, that one. Every phrase needs to be bold. Okay, a little bit easier for this project. And take sure that it's vertically and horizontally aligned. If you like more, if you like it bigger, okay. Take the exact thing. Okay. Make exactly the same size. Vertically and horizontally. Let's do it. Okay. Okay. Align. Make this align. It's not too difficult. It's a simple one. Make this bigger here. Make a dot. Make this curve. Okay. Make this a little bit this one. So yeah. Make all the text converge curves. Okay, make this ungroup everyone. Ungroup, make just one. Okay, just ungroup. Okay. Import a vector that you want. In my case, I will use this tree. Make 2 more copies of that. Okay. 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 Use that profile to make the align. Make some waves. this is not a difficult one. Make a stroke here. Select everything inside this project. Make a wave. That's okay. Select everything, change, convert it to curves, and connect everything here. Make just one inside. Okay. Now we can do this. With the orange, make a group. Inside this group you can change for erase. In that case you can see through the design. With the yellow, make a group, Ctrl G, change for erase. It's okay. With the red, make a group, change the filter to erase. With the green, make a group, change to erase. Okay, this curve, that, make a group. Okay, it's not a difficult one, it's a little bit easier. Some techniques that make these things special. Now we can duplicate this project to another format. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Now obtain the proportional. This is for the cap on the Redbubble. Changing position, we can resize every project here. We can now centralize. Resize the yellow one. Make this centralize, okay. Change this. In this case, we can duplicate. now we can copy this project, make another one. Bigger, but it's the same process. Take a little bit of space here. Now you can complete this one. We can make a little bigger. This centralize. This one a little bigger and centralize. That's perfect. Now see through the page. This is a little bit different because for this bag we can rotate the design. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Now can make a little bit smaller. This can be a little bit bigger. Do that. This, and this. Make proportion, space it. Okay. This and this we can rotate. Okay, to be in a perfect aspect ratio. Okay. Now we can export every artboard in an easy way to make this process to continue the update in the Redbubble site. Leave a like in this video and comment. Thank you everyone. Bye.